Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with an unexpected video. Honestly, I wasn't even gonna film right now, but the Supreme release dates are out. There's a Supreme sale going on for some dookie pieces, and I cooked up on a pair of sneakers this morning, so I might as well talk about all that in this one video. If you guys enjoy streetwear or sneaker content, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel because it definitely helps with the algorithm, if I'm being honest, and it goes so far. If y'all enjoy the videos, that means a lot, bro. I'm not gonna lie, because YouTube could help us get bigger than what we are. But with all that being said, let's get into this video. So as I was saying, Supreme got a little sale going on, so if y'all want to cop any of those items, make sure you go on there. There's a couple pieces, they're all kind of ass, but I just thought I'd bring it up in this video. They also do still have some bags and shit, a couple hats. If you guys want anything that's on the Supreme website, make sure you do it now, only for the personal, before they close the website down and prepare for next season, which is a perfect segue to talk about the release dates for spring summer 2022. This is subject to change, so nothing is confirmed, but we're supposed to get the teaser on February 7th. Y'all already know the teaser is basically the picture that they release for the whole season, like the cover for the season, if that makes sense. That's gonna be February 7th. Same thing in Japan. Then the following week on the 14th, we'll get the lookbook and preview. So y'all already know the vibes. That's when I come out with my little preview slash lookbook video for y'all. Subscribe for that if that's something you want to see. Same dates in Japan as well. Once again, 3 days after the lookbook comes out is when we get the in-store slash online release. Normally they separated, but as of recently they have been doing it together. 17th of February is supposed to be the first release for Supreme, and if you're in Japan, it's gonna actually be the 19th of February. So the first week is on the 17th, and then the second week is on the 3rd of March. So normally they skip a little week to process the orders from week 1 and all that. So the second week with the collaboration is probably gonna be on the 3rd of March and on the 5th if you're in Japan. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Supreme. So we spoke about the dookie sale they got going on. We spoke about the release dates. Now I want to talk about a little sneaker that I hit on. So this morning, I'm just doing my little editing and shit, you feel me? Just vibing, just doing my thing. I'm in the cook group, the kitchen, you feel me? So they notify whenever something is happening. And I heard that there was an exclusive access on JD Sports and Finish Line for the Jordan 4 Red Thunders. So you feel me? I made my way over there. I was waiting on the line, which I wasn't really screen recording. Honestly, I didn't even know if I was gonna be able to hit. I decided to go for it. I went into my account and I went into exclusive access, and it said that they were still there. Mind you, they didn't have my size. I'm a 10, 10 and a half. I'm like, bro, fuck it. I'll pick these up. Let me get them. So I decided to go through the whole process, whatever. Redeem your points to secure the sneaker for pickup, whatever. Boom. I'm trying to do that shit because I want to do a review for y'all. 1, 2, I'm gonna swap these bitches for my size immediately. Like, it's another Jordan 4 in the collection. It's crazy because I was sitting down here a day or two ago and I'm like, bro, I'm gonna get those. I'm gonna get them shits and I'm gonna wear them. Like, I know what they're gonna look like on my feet. I need a fit for these bitches. And hey, bro, that's exactly what happened. They might not be my size, but I attracted another W, another win, more success coming my way, like I always say. And luckily, I was able to secure the Red Thunder Jordan 4's exclusive access. You guys have to make sure you're on your foot sites, and there are Discord groups out here like the kitchen that do notify you when things like this are happening to help you secure some of these pairs. This is low-key the second time that they do a drop for these, and hey, I didn't luck up on the first drop, but I managed to get them on the second drop. Even if they're not my size, it's a size 9, you feel me? Close enough, I'll be able to trade them for my size, so we all good. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, and would like more content like this, leave a like and subscribe to the channel down below. It goes so far and it helps so much with the algorithm, so please go ahead and do that. But that pretty much does it for this video, bro. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this one. It's an unexpected, literally just mash it up together type video to let y'all know what happened in the day pretty much. But leave a like on this video if y'all enjoyed, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.